that really what it is? And then you come to find out, shit be kind of true. Like, why would I interview or be promoting a person who actually made it already? They made it. So it's good. We could celebrate them, but what advice are we going to give to the youngins that's trying to come up?
Mm.
It's like real shit. Like, so I get the argument from the 20-year-olds. Like, yo, this podcast or that podcast, they ain't really they they not trying to help me. You know, they showing people that's made it. Like, what a fucking millionaire gonna talk to me and I'm on food stamps and shit? How he gonna help me?
Mm-hmm.
Unless he gonna give me some knowledge that I could use to combat the fact that I need to step up out this financial class. You know, not take my money, yo, I'm gonna do credit repair and you gonna pay me to help you do some shit that you could do yourself.
Mm.
Over time, that microwave shit that you was mentioning before, everything ain't quick. If you take your time and take about 18 months, you can fix your credit.
Mm-hmm.
That
Yeah.
motherfucker that you paying $200 to, they gonna do the same shit that you could do, and it's gonna take about that long, and you could have did it for way less. And I
And
ain't knocking nobody
and it
hustle.
don't even take 18 months.
It don't take 18 months. It's just how you pay your bills.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm saying that, like, the statement date versus the due date. Like, you got to look at the statement date. Like, there's two dates on there. Any payments you make, you need to make it in between them two dates, not on the due date. Your credit score will go up over time. It might take about 4 months. You're going to notice a difference if you start doing practicing habits. So that's all I'm saying. Like, shit that we do, I feel like we're reaching back and providing real knowledge, wisdom, and understanding because that's the culture that we was raised in. You know, but at the same time, we had to be free thinking because there's also a lot of indoctrination with these different facets of the culture. Well, you got to learn it this way. You can't think that way. Like, nah, the way that we grow is by asking questions. And if shit don't make sense, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna make it make sense if the shit don't make no sense. I can't do that. I'm not gonna mislead this 20-something-year-old and tell him to go 15 blocks out the way when he could just come right here and, yo, you really want the truth? You really want to know what it is? Boom, boom, boom. Give him a template. Then it's on that man to make every day is a new day for you to make a decision to do the right thing and affect your future 5, 10 years from now. One fucked up decision could take you months off your path. That's just a fact.